Right, hello, it's I. Today we are at an air show at a very rare airport. Yes, everybody, we are at Hindon Air Force Station, ladies and gentlemen, and we are basically stalling the aircraft right now. Let's put spoilers down. And yeah, so we're gonna go at, let's see how many feet per minute we're going down at. 1,000 feet per minute. We can't go fast. We're gonna stall it. We're gonna also try to land it, which is clearly impossible as this airport is impossible to land at. Oh my god, we're hitting some G's. You're so fast, how are you stalling, you moron? I've seen gliders go faster than this. Oh, I mean slower than this. This thing's lighter than a glider. How the hell is it not working? Right, there's going to be a Pegasus for now. Let's give it some power. Put the spoilers up. Oh my god, it's so fast in the acceleration. Right, let's butter it. Butter 100. Right, we have landed and we are definitely on the center line as we have started. What the hell I hate this airport. I quit. No, I quit. You hear that? I quit. Flowings hate Indian airports. Especially Indian Air Force airport. How on earth are this is nuts? I mean, like, it is. Oh my god, that's been butter. Spoilers down. So. Oh shit, pull up. We're gonna have to bank her out of here. Oh my god, look at the speed we're going at right now. This is either going to be the hardest landing or a crash right now. Well, that's been the hardest landing in the world that my life has ever seen. And we're still going for it. Oh my god, this aircraft is legendary. Yeah, don't mind that we are currently 105 feet up in the air. Right, and I shall touch the engines off. As this is a US Air Force aircraft, and yeah, thank you for watching this video.